Let's get one thing clear. This isn't your normal, everyday, regular schmegular book club. This is going to be a meeting of the minds to reach orgasmic potential, all right? We're not just going to read about it, we're going to be about it. That means once a month, we're going to gather, report back, giggle over feedback, share inside jokes, get the tea on how we've been literally exploring the techniques in these books and how they've been, for better or for worse, affecting our sex lives. I'm literally inviting you to join me. Everyone is welcome. All you got to do is buy the book. The first book we're starting with is Urban Tantra. It's a easy peasy, lemon squeezy, fresh out the gate starter book for most sexologists. It should be on everyone's bookshelf. And so if you really want to get started, I can't think of a better book to open the doors with, if you will, or open the floodgates with, if you will. So yeah, I hope to see you there.